Starting a business with limited capital often requires creativity, resourcefulness, and a strong understanding of the market. The following guide will explore how to launch 6 micro-businesses, each requiring minimal upfront investment, focusing on food and beverage ventures, popcorn, juice, cotton candy, pancakes, ice cream, and smoothies. Welcome to our ultimate guide on starting not just 1, but 6 highly profitable businesses in Africa, all with a budget of less than $100. Today, we'll show you step-by-step how to start and grow a small popcorn-making business, a mini juice-making business, a mini cotton candy-making business, a mini pancake-making business, a mini ice cream-making business, and a mini smoothie-making business. These businesses are easy to start, require minimal investment, and can bring in significant profits with the right strategies. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know, from the basic equipment required to marketing strategies that can help you succeed. Whether you're looking to start one of these businesses or combine a few to maximize your earnings, this guide will give you all the tools you need. Popcorn is a beloved snack that's easy to make and sell. With just a small popcorn machine, you can start your own business for under $100. Let's dive into the details. To get started, you'll need a small popcorn machine, which you can find for around $50. Add in popcorn kernels, oil, and simple packaging, and you're ready to go. Here's a breakdown of the initial investment and where you can find affordable supplies. Location is key to a successful popcorn business. Set up in high-traffic areas like schools, parks, or markets. You can also cater to events like movie nights or sports games. We'll show you how to choose the best spots and get started quickly. Pricing your popcorn right is crucial. You want to ensure it's affordable for customers while still giving you a good profit margin. Let's break down the costs and see how much you can potentially earn per day. To attract customers, you need effective marketing strategies. Use social media to promote your popcorn stand, offer samples, and create loyalty programs. Here's how to build a brand and attract a steady stream of customers. Popcorn business equipment, a small popcorn machine, biodegradable popcorn bags, and a variety of seasonings. Marketing, set up at local events, farmers markets, or high-traffic areas. Offer free samples to attract customers. Partner with movie theaters or local businesses for cross-promotion. Unique selling point, experiment with unique flavors or create themed popcorn, such as movie night mix or spicy heat. Fresh juice is always in demand, especially in warm climates. With a simple juicer, you can start a mini juice-making business for under $100. Let's explore how you can make this a successful venture. The key equipment you'll need is a small juicer, which can cost around $30 to $50. Add fresh fruits and some inexpensive bottles, and you're ready to go. Here's how to source your supplies and keep costs low. Location plays a critical role in your success. Choose a spot with high foot traffic like near office buildings, schools, or marketplaces. We'll show you how to set up and operate efficiently. Juicing can be highly profitable if you price your products correctly. We'll look at the cost of ingredients and how to set prices to maximize your profits while keeping customers coming back. To stand out, you'll need to market your juice business effectively. Create eye-catching displays, engage with customers online, and offer seasonal specials. We'll cover the best tactics to build a loyal customer base. Juice business equipment, a juicer, reusable bottles, and fresh produce. Marketing, target health-conscious consumers by partnering with gyms, yoga studios, or health food stores. Offer juice cleanse packages or create custom blends based on customer preferences. Unique selling point. Focus on organic or locally sourced ingredients. Experiment with cold-pressed juices or incorporate superfoods like kale, spinach, or beets. Cotton candy is a fun treat that appeals to both kids and adults. It's cheap to make, and with the right machine, you can start a cotton candy business for less than $100. Let's see how. The core of this business is a small cotton candy machine, which typically costs around $60. Add in sugar, flavorings, and sticks, and you're ready to start spinning. Here's a detailed cost breakdown. The best places to sell cotton candy are fairs, carnivals, and public events where families gather. We'll guide you through setting up your stand and making the most of your location. Cotton candy has an excellent profit margin, as the cost of sugar is very low. We'll explore different pricing strategies based on your location and customer base. Marketing cotton candy is all about visuals and engagement. Use bright colors, fun promotions, and social media to draw in crowds. We'll share some creative marketing ideas to boost your sales. Equipment: a cotton candy machine, sugar, and food coloring. Marketing: set up at fairs, festivals, and children's events. Offer unique flavors or create custom cotton candy creations. Unique selling point: experiment with unusual flavors or create themed cotton candy, such as Unicorn Dream or Galactic Blast mini pancakes are a trendy and delicious treat that can be sold as a breakfast item or dessert. With a small griddle and simple ingredients, you can start a pancake-making business with a minimal investment. You'll need a mini pancake griddle, which costs around $30, along with basic ingredients like flour, eggs, and toppings. Here's a breakdown of your initial investment and how to keep costs down. Location is crucial, especially in the mornings when people are looking for a quick bite. We'll show you how to set up your pancake stand in prime locations to attract hungry customers. Mini pancakes can be highly profitable, especially if you offer various toppings and flavor options. We'll look at how to price your pancakes for maximum profit without scaring away customers. Your marketing strategy should focus on the taste and variety of your pancakes. Use social media to showcase your products, offer samples, and encourage customer feedback. We'll discuss ways to build a strong brand and a loyal customer base. Equipment: a griddle or small pancake maker, pancake mix, and toppings. Marketing: set up at breakfast markets, farmers markets, or local coffee shops. Offer unique pancake flavors or create custom pancake creations. Unique selling point: experiment with different pancake mixes, such as gluten-free, vegan, or whole grain. Offer unique toppings like fruit, nuts, or chocolate chips. Ice cream is a year-round favorite, and with a small ice cream maker, you can start a mini ice cream business for under $100. We'll show you how to turn this cool treat into a hot business. To start, you'll need a small ice cream maker, which costs about $50 to $70. You'll also need basic ingredients like milk, sugar, and flavorings, plus some simple serving cups or cones. Here's how to source your equipment and ingredients affordably. Ice cream sells best in hot weather and busy areas. Think parks, beaches, or outside schools. We'll guide you on how to find the best locations and set up your stand for maximum sales. Ice cream has a strong profit margin if you manage your costs well. We'll show you how to price your products competitively while ensuring you make a solid profit. Ice cream is a visual treat, so your marketing should reflect that. Use vibrant images on social media, run special promotions on hot days, and engage with your customers to build a following. We'll share tips to make your ice cream business stand out. Equipment: a small ice cream maker, ice cream mix, and toppings. Marketing: set up at local events, farmers markets, or beaches. Offer unique ice cream flavors or create custom ice cream creations. Unique selling point: experiment with unusual flavors or create themed ice cream such as Cookie Monster or chocolate peanut butter. Smoothies are a healthy and refreshing option that appeals to a wide audience. With a simple blender and fresh ingredients, you can start a mini smoothie business with less than $100. The key piece of equipment here is a small blender, which you can get for about $30 to $40. Add in fresh fruits, some yogurt or juice, and disposable cups, and you're ready to start blending. Let's break down the initial investment. Smoothies are especially popular near gyms, parks, and markets. We'll show you how to set up your stand in the best locations to attract health-conscious customers. Smoothies can be quite profitable if you source your ingredients wisely. We'll help you determine the right pricing strategy to ensure a good profit margin while keeping your smoothies affordable. Your marketing should focus on the health benefits of your smoothies. Use social media to highlight the fresh ingredients you use, offer loyalty programs to regular customers, and create promotions around fitness trends. We'll discuss the best ways to market your smoothie business. Equipment: a blender, reusable cups, and fresh ingredients. Marketing: target health-conscious consumers by partnering with gyms, yoga studios, or health food stores. Offer smoothie cleanse packages or create custom blends based on customer preferences. Focus on organic or locally sourced ingredients. Experiment with unique combinations or incorporate superfoods like kale, spinach, or chia seeds. There you have it. 6 highly profitable businesses you can start in Africa with just $100 or less. From popcorn to smoothies, each of these businesses offers a unique opportunity to earn a significant income with minimal investment. Remember, the key to success in any business is persistence, quality, and effective marketing. Start small, focus on delivering great products.